Sunman Burdom Pharma is a joint venture between Sunman Group and Diabetic Association of Bangladesh Burdom to establish a pharmaceutical industry in Bangladesh of FDA MHRA standard. Sunman Burdom Pharma was conceptualized by Major Retired Abdul Mannan, chairman of the Sunman Group, recognized to be a strong, dedicated, visionary leader with an impeccable army and political career. He then branched into the business, becoming an icon in the RMG export sector, later diversifying into other key areas. The chairman's inherent qualities motivated him to the challenge of creating a world-class pharmaceutical industry. The Diabetic Association of Bangladesh Burdom, led by Professor A.K. Azad Khan, has long envisioned the establishment of a pharmaceutical industry meeting FDA MHRA or world-class standard to provide quality medicine at the right price. The Sunman Burdom Pharma management team is spearheaded by A.M. Farooq, a highly respected Bangladeshi MD and CEO, and Bill McKeon as Chief Consultant Officer. Both have proven track records, decades of experience internationally and domestically, underpinned by their joint comprehensive working knowledge and expertise in all pharmaceutical operational activities from facility design, R&D, QA, production, finance, team building to marketing and sales, augmented by their inherent core values of integrity, innovation, competitiveness, efficiency, quality, corporate style, teamwork, and customer satisfaction. The production facility design and documentation system incorporates US FDA and UK MHRA CGMP premium quality to accelerate accreditation and export capability. Two highly respected experts for FDA and MHRA are utilized on a need basis. The aim is to become a center of excellence to attract global partnerships and contract manufacturing. This speed of achievement for facility completion is admirable and has built-in FDA and MHRA regulatory standards for facility and documentation. The project budget has been strictly controlled to optimal expenditure, staff utilization, and training. This mammoth task has brought SBP to the critical point, ensuring full commercialization by April 2017. Sunman Burdom Pharma will focus on 5 key unique selling points. Burdom network of hospitals with over 10,000 doctors and more than 100 pharmacies. FDA MHRA consistent quality, bioequivalent pharmaceuticals, new direct to the targeted doctors, user-friendly mobile phone applications. Huge generic export market will reach $540 billion by 2022. The ingenious partnership with Burdom and the USPs guarantees a confident, speedy entry into the highly competitive double-digit growth of $2 billion local pharmaceutical market with over 250 competing companies. Sunman Burdom Pharma, seeking to establish itself as one of the top 5 to 10 pharmaceutical companies in Bangladesh with the scope to enter the foreign market as a leading local SBP believes in enriching the lives of doctors to enrich the lives of patients.